Welcome back to our new fans. Today we are going to talk about how to pair earphones in oppo phone. Guys, you want to pair your earphones in oppo phone. So guys, how can you pair it? In this video guys, I will show you how to pair it. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching it the first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Phone setting is reveal on it. Then guys click on Bluetooth, on your Bluetooth, and guys on your earphone. This guys minus volume plus volume, power off button. So I will on it. I refresh it. So by CL20 guys my earphones. So I will click on my earphone names. Then guys you can see pair with the device. So we will pair it. So right now you can use your earphones in oppo phone. So I think friends we have understood how to pair earphones in oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.